How to change your Snapchat location map on iPhone without computer. So you can do this on iPhone or Android. It is easily to do it. You can do it within your Snapchat app. So now open Snapchat. After you open Snapchat like this, now go to profile. After you open profile like this, now scroll all the way to down. So as you can see now, here it says snap map. Now here is my location. If you want to change the location, now tap on this location. So by tapping on the location, now here is my current location, here is the name, and here is where I'm currently in. If you want to change the location, tap on this settings icon. So from there, tap on this suggest a place. In this section, tap on this tap to add address. So in this section now, tap on this section, this one. So here is where I'm currently in. So you can use your hand to zoom it out like this. So you can use this arrow in the location indicator to select a new location. So I'll just move to this to Senegal, or just move to like US or any country you want. So I'll use to Turkey. So let's say I want this country. In Turkey, I want this country. So make sure the arrow indicates a new location that you want to add. So I'm currently in Turkey. So tap on this save button. It will give you the address of the location in this section. So now here is the address of the location, is Turkey country. So tap on this save button. By tapping on the save button, now it will save this location as my default location on my Snapchat. That's it, guys, on how to change Snapchat location map on iPhone or Android or computer. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you out.